Madam Speaker, we do not need a bloated budget that is favoring patrimonialism. A budget where a cabinet secretary was buying a python belt at 800,000 Kenya shillings and crocodile shoes at 2 million Kenya shillings and said that they have a weakness for finer things. This budget, as it is, Madam Speaker, is going to cater for the interest of Kenyans because we must cut our coat according to our size.
I have a point of order. Honorable Babu Owino, I have a point of order from the Honorable Cynthia Muge. What is out of order, Mheshimiwa?
Madam Speaker, I'm just wondering if the Honorable Babu Owino is in order to mention that whatever belt or whatever watch whoever is wearing, Honorable Speaker, was budgeted or was funded by the budget of this country.
Madam Speaker, because before that cabinet secretary became a cabinet secretary...
So what is out of order? On the statement of fact.
Statement of fact, Honorable Speaker. And can you prove that that was budgeted for in this budget and in this government's budget?
Yes, Honorable Babu Owino, I would like you to respond to that.
Madam Speaker, we know very well the kind of a lifestyle the cabinet secretary was living before he became a cabinet secretary, and we know how he was dressing. But again, he went on record, and it is a statement of fact, not factoids, went on record and said that he was in possession of a crocodile belt worth 2 million Kenya shillings, and his salary is not even that amount. So, Madam Speaker, the honorable member here should not defend such acts. As I proceed, Madam Speaker, please do not interrupt.
Because Babu Owino, I would like you to encourage you to be factual because you only have 5 minutes and I know you have a lot to say. Please be factual, be aware of standing order number 87. You may proceed with that in mind.
So, as I proceed with my submission, Madam Speaker, it is very clear, if I want to talk about this issue of the debt question, that, Madam Speaker, borrowing in a nation is not wrong. But borrowing to fund recurrent expenditure is wrong. Borrowing to sponsor patrimonialism is wrong. Borrowing to steal that money in terms of corruption is wrong. And any money borrowed on those lines becomes unproductive debt, which is not beneficial to our nation. Borrowing, as was opined by Franco Modigliani, an Italian-American economist, who said clearly and came up with the theories of consumption, to be precise, life cycle hypothesis, and he came up with the idea of the debt system, that you can borrow what you should enjoy in 70 years to come. You can enjoy it now, borrow and enjoy it now as you repay for it in quantum minute basis. So therefore, Madam Speaker, borrowing is not wrong, but borrowing for corruption is wrong. So I stand to support this budget because the Gen Zs spoke. These Gen Zs, they're in universities. They need the varsity fees to be reduced. These Gen Zs at the same time, Madam Speaker, need to be employed because these are people who have graduated but there are no jobs. Thank you.